This is the best EP na gigimo sa SB19.
Felipe has revelations in SB19 Simula at Wakas EP at Cebu solo event. Aside from performing for his Ayala Center Cebu audience, Felipe has also promoted SB19's Philippine Arena concert and of course the Simula at Wakas EP.
See you everyone. I'm pretty sure na naghandang sa inyo makamuadto dyan. Walang pa sa Philippine Arena concert namin. SAW Simula at Wakas concert. So, I'm really excited. Sa May 31 na siya, sa June 1. And of course, i-release na po ang among EP, pinaka-latest EP, i-release na siya. So, daghang kaming surprises sa music, in sense of music sa inyo ha. So, I'm really excited na ma-release ang among EP, ang among mga kanta. Kabalo ko nga mag-inahan kayo mga EP kasi ako, personally, I think this is the best EP na gigimo sa SB19. So I'm really proud, and yeah. And of course, I just want to thank Ayala Center Cebu for having me here tonight. Especially mo pa'y pagbuhat mo pa'y pagka-renovate sa ilang sa mall. That's why I'm so honored na makapag-perform diri karon. It's such a beautiful place, and of course, makita tamang tanan.